I'm Rachael Flanagan, the CEO of Mrs. Buckét Cleaning Services. I founded the business 17 years ago now at the age of 18. It's extremely exciting for me and feels a huge privilege because I am now a judge for Management Days 35 under 35. What I'm most excited about is to just champion and see women in leadership roles absolutely rocking it and pushing them forward to achieving where they really want to go in their businesses and for their companies. And I also am excited to see what sort of entries we get. So what I'm looking for is women in roles where they've got aspirations of a really clear plan and strategy. How are they developing their teams for the future? And how are they being creative in this volatile marketplace? How are they standing out? What's their marketing? What's their sales plans? And so on, ready for growth. So good luck and see you soon.